Is there any program you want to watch, my darling? We can watch anything you want, huh? You want to watch something with like a notebook? Or Facebook? Or maybe something with feeling, you know, passion, like NRL or the All Blacks or something.
You just go ahead and watch whatever you want to watch like you always do.
Oh. How about I turn it off, eh? What seems to be the problem, eh? What is bothering you?
Okay, I'll tell you what's bothering me. Why is it that every time we're out in public, especially when there are Samoans around, you never want to hold my hand?
I already tried to explain this thing to you. Huh? It's just a different in the culture. Yeah, different the Palangi culture, different the Samoan culture.
What do you mean?
For example, remember when we went to your cousin's wedding? That was my first ever Palangi wedding. And then when the minister asked the bride to, the groom to kiss the bride, he kissed her like he was going for a world record. It's not like that in a Samoan wedding. Huh? In a Samoan wedding, when the minister asked the couple to kiss, the bride and groom would look at each other like, And then they will look to their family in the church. And then they will look at each other and think to themselves, shame. And then when they kiss, they only touch each other's cheeks. Like they don't know how to kiss. Like they never ever kissed before. But the bride is standing there 6 months pregnant. It's just a different culture. Huh?
Well, what's wrong with showing love in public anyway?
I try to explain this thing. Do I have to repeat myself? Every time you make me repeat, you make me feel like a frog.
How?
Because all I do is repeat. Okay, let me explain. Huh? For example. You know, the Palangi, you like to say nice things about each other. You like to give a compliment to your family. You know, like when we go to your family gathering. Imagine someone in your family come with a brand new dress. Someone in your family will say something like, oh, OMG. Wow, you look so stunning. You look phenomenal. Oh, that dress looks like it was made just for you. Come inside and have some cheese and crackers. Or maybe someone else in your family turned up to your house, lost heaps of weight. One of your cousins will say something like, wow, look at you, you look amazing. You look like $1 million. Oh, I wish I had your body right now. Come inside and have some wine and hummus. or maybe someone else in your family turn up in a brand new car. Everyone will go outside, take photos of the car. Then someone in your family will say something like, "Congratulations. Well done for climbing the corporate ladder. What a great success story for our next generation. Come inside and have some pate and some other things." You see, it's different in the Samoan family. You know, in the Samoan family, we don't give a compliments. We give a jokes. But you know the jokes? It hurts. See, imagine someone in my family turn up with a brand new dress. One of my cousins will say something like, "Whoa, is that a brand new dress? Hey, don't sit down, the buttons might pop." Come inside and have a 6-pound corned beef. Maybe someone in my family turn up, lost heaps of weight. One of my cousins will say something like, "Whoa, look at you. You look like $10. Man, you lost heaps of weight. Are you sick? Come inside and have a urupua." And then maybe one of my cousins pull up in a brand new car. Everyone will go outside, but no one will take a photo because we can't afford a camera. But one of my cousins will say something like, "Hey, where'd you steal that from? Come inside and have a horse." You see, it's just a different, eh?
Well, I'm not talking about how families treat one another. I'm talking about how couples treat one another.
It's the same thing. You see, in the Palangi family, when you have a gathering, you can tell who the couples are. The couple walk through the door holding hands. They smile at each other. They acknowledge each other. They play games in the house from one end of the room to the other. The wife might do something like, and the husband will be like, "Yeah." And even when the Palangi on the dining table, they still give a compliment. The husband might say to the wife, "Can you pass me the sugar? Sugar." The wife might say to the husband, "Can you pass me the honey? Honey." But you see, in the Samoan family, it's different. When the Samoan have a gathering, you can't tell who the couples are. They don't hold hands. They don't talk to each other. And when the wife wants to play with the husband will be like, "Say so, yeah." If you want to play, go play outside. And even at the dining table, we are still giving our jokes. The husband might say to the wife, "Can you pass me the pig?" "You pig." And the wife might say to the husband, "Can you pass me the bread?" "Basket." And even after the family gathering, the couple still don't talk to each other, going to the car valley. When they get into the car, they drive away, still not talking to each other. But not until they get around the corner where the family can't see him anymore, then all of a sudden the husband is like, "Oh, I'm sorry, darling. I had to be the man because all my cousins over there, you know. But when we go home, I'm going to make it up to you." I'm going to massage your feet after I find my gloves. And my goggles. And my tools. It's just a different, you understand?
Well, if that's the case, then why didn't you just go out with a Samoan girl?
You're not listening to what I'm talking about. I can't believe you went there. The reason why I don't go out with a Samoan girl is because when I was just a little children, I knew at a very young age that my dad, he's going to go to heaven. Because while he was with my mom, he was going through hell. And that's when I said a promise to myself. I said to myself, when I grow it up, I want to be with somebody who will make me feel like I'm in heaven. That's why I chose you. Because you're my angel.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, better be.
And why is it that every time your family has a funeral, a wedding, and sometimes even birthday, why is it that we always have to give them money?
Because I can.
But it's all my money.
Yeah, but what's yours is mine, and what's mine is...
What?
What's yours is mine, what's mine is my family's.
Yeah, and after all the money I've given you to give to your family, I still get the feeling your family doesn't like me, and I know why. It's because I'm not a Samoan, that's why.
Hey.
Well, it is. It's because I'm not Samoan.
Why would you say something like that? Huh? That's not the only reason why my family don't like you.
You give me one reason why your family shouldn't like me.
Just one.
Yes.
Okay, remember the first time I took you to my parents' house, eh?
Yeah.
I took you there to introduce you to them. But you walk into the house with a short mini skirt showing your lovely long legs, freshly waxed.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah, I can see that. I got a lawnmower at the back if you need to.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Our time, please. Church tomorrow.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, here for coming here tonight. My name is Swavai Olealofa. Thank you. Some people just call me Swavai, but all the women call me Swav. So this song, I would like to sing it for you tonight. I would like to dedicate it to all the beautiful women who couldn't make it here tonight. So wherever they are, tell them I dedicate this song to them. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Here we go. It's a now or never. Please hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's a now or never. My love won't wait. I remember the first time underneath the moonlight. You had my hand and I kissed you all night. Your hair was golden and your eyes were so bright. I wondered if you were Samoan. I realized yes you were when I looked down and I saw the size of your thigh. It's a now or never. Please hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's a now or never. My love won't wait. It's a now or never. My love won't wait. Hey. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey. Ah. Ladies and gentlemen, this next song I want to do it for you tonight. It's one of my favorite songs. I hope you enjoy it. I will need you to join in with me. It goes a little something like this. Here we go. Hup. Hup. Emanu bugalua, elua bugalmanu. Emanu bugalua, elua bugalmanu. Emanu bugalua, mama, elua bugalmanu. Aika boom boom boom, aika boom boom boom. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I will split you up in half. This half, stay where you are. Now, when I say aika, you say boom boom boom. You got that one? Aika. Aiga. Okay, this half here. When I say Aiga, you say. Okay, here we go. Aiga. Aiga. Befali. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a practice. Aiga. 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 Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Hup. Emanu bugalua, elua bugalmanu. Emanu bugalua, elua bugalmanu. Emanu bugalua, mama, elua bugalmanu. Aiga, aiga. Okay, we go faster, faster, faster. Emanu bugalua, elua bugalmanu. Emanu bugalua, elua bugalmanu. Emanu bugalua, mama, elua bugalmanu. Aiga, aiga. Hey, faster, faster, faster. Manu bugalua, elua bugalmanu. Manu bugalua, elua bugalmanu. Manu bugalua, mama, elua bugalmanu. Aiga, aiga, aiga. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The laughing Samoan.